In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Affinity Photo. If you want to isolate a product, create a clean cutout for a thumbnail, or drop your subject onto a new scene, this quick method will get you there fast while keeping edges looking natural. Open your image in Affinity Photo and make sure you're in your main editing workspace. At the top, click Pixel View so you're looking at the exact raster result of your edits. This view makes jagged edges, halos, and fine details easier to judge as you work, which means fewer surprises later. Next, look to the toolbar on the left and choose the Brush Selection tool. This tool lets you paint a selection, and it's ideal for separating a subject from a background. Adjust the brush size so it's just a bit larger than the details you're tracing. A smaller brush hugs edges more precisely. If the tool offers add and subtract modes, stay in add while painting over the background you want to remove. When the selection accidentally grabs part of your subject, switch to subtract and gently paint it back out. Zoom in around tricky areas like hair, fingers, or soft fabric and take your time. Clean selections here will save you extra cleanup later. With the background fully selected, press delete. You should see a checkerboard pattern where the background used to be, indicating transparency. If you notice leftover patches or halos, undo. Refine the selection by alternating between add and subtract, and delete again. A quick pass around edges with a slightly smaller brush often tightens the result nicely. That's it. Open the image, switch to Pixel View, paint the background with the Brush Selection tool, and delete. With a little practice adjusting brush size and zooming in on edge details, you'll remove backgrounds cleanly and confidently every time.